Upon accessing the Carbonsphere application, we are first redirected to the login or sign up screen where you have two buttons for login and sign up. We'll go with the sign up one and provide email and password details. To providing the email, we enter a password, confirm the password, then submit. Once you've submitted that, we are redirected to a login screen where we are able to provide the email we entered earlier and the password we created. From there, we are now redirected to our landing page where we have access to the other functionalities of the application. On the landing page, we have a dashboard that shows a card with the total emission recorded so far for the signed in user. From here, we can access the carbon footprint tracker by clicking on the carbon footprint tracker button. Here we have different categories of emissions which we can use to calculate carbon footprint tracker for an individual. We select by clicking on each button, you are able to access an input field where you provide the estimate usage for that category. For home products, you can say maybe one has used 25 kilograms of home products that are carbon emitting. We can go with transport, maybe they did a commute of 24 kilometers, then cooking maybe we can do 45, and we have the other one where we go with 31, and then we calculate that. And then you can go back to access the other functionalities. Once the calculated value is stored, it will be updated on the total emission card. And then for the other section, we have an info section with different products that are environmental friendly and also very reliant in reducing carbon emissions. Clicking on any of the items gives you a pop-up with more details about that item, like the price, the item name, and a short description. We can always leave the pop-up for each item by closing it. If we try another item, we have the same pop-up. We can close it as well. And then we have several articles that we added here to display information on methods that are favorable to reducing carbon emissions and also ways in which individuals can reduce their carbon footprint through being careful and choosing alternatives for their daily activities.